In previous video we have learned how you can inline CSS, how you can do inline CSS to your tags, and you can style your specific tag according to the requirement. But in this video we are going to learn an advanced technique. Basically we are going to learn a tag of div. What exactly div is? Div acts like a container where you can actually place these tags in that container, and you don't have to style each tag specifically. You can give that div a style and you can give it any property you want. You can move it anywhere on the web page by just giving a class on div and giving it any CSS property. So you don't have to give padding margins separately to the tags like h1, paragraph, any image tag you have made on your web page. For example, let me show you. The div tag starts with div, or the opening of tag, and you have to close the tag. And we are going to place these tags into this div tag basically. So let's copy it and place it inside the div tag. That's the opening and that's the closing of div. Now what difference it's going to make is that let's say I can reload this, and I am going to remove this padding option from here. Removing the padding option, and you will see, let's save it. The both or these texts are on the default position they are made. Now what I am going to do is giving div style, and in style I am going to give it a padding of 30 pixels. What this style will do is it will give the padding of 30 pixels to the h1 tag and the paragraph tag as well. Whatever tag is placed in between this div tag, it will be given padding 30 pixels by default. So for example, let me save this and go back to here, and you will see 30 pixel is allotted both onto these both tags, and we don't have to give these tags separate padding or everything. Let's say we can give it 50 pixels and it will move further here. So this is what exactly you do whenever you create any big website. You can work in div, give it a class, and you can style that. So that is easy to manage, and you cannot have to give padding margins to the single tag, and you can only give a class to div and then you can style it whatever you want. This is where basically a simple definition, simple practical example of div. It is basically a container. For more videos you can follow and subscribe my channel, and I will be uploading more videos related to this to cover your clear your concepts. You can ask any kind of question in comments. I'll be happy to answer that. Thank you very much.